Hi friends. So today we are making a Pokeball keychain, or you can use this as a keychain or a gadget or a fidget, something like that, and you can basically make it for any of the anime. You just need to make the head of the anime figure that you want. Currently I've made it for Charmander, so you can make it either for all the Pokemons, different Pokemons, or One Piece or Demon Slayer, Jujutsu Kaisen, whatever the favorite character you have. Just make a head out of that character, and you need to add a hole to the bottom of the head. This exact hole I'll mention in the description. I'll share the file as well so that you can add it to your model and print it. And so this is basically the box in which this entire setup would reside, and I've made this as a snug fit so that it would be tight and you can open it from here. So in order to make this, I've made over like like 4 prototypes for that, and after that basically I succeeded in making the final version. And so let me show you how to assemble this. So here the setup basically consists of an ESP32C3 from Seed Studio and a DF mini player, and this is a micro speaker from a mobile. You can get it at any of the mobile spare parts or servicing centers. And this is a 1S lipo. This is basically 1S 200 milliamp lipo and a push button. And for the wirings I've used audio cables from audio jack. So these will be pretty thin and they're already coated with enamel, so even if the wires touch with each other it wouldn't be much of a problem. And this battery gets charged directly whenever you plug in the USB cable. So when the charging is out, you directly plug it will get charged. I haven't verified how much long does it actually stay. Probably when one of you tries it, you can let me know. Probably I think it would stay for around 2 to 3 hours. So when you press the button, you'll basically get the ringtone that you want. So in the SD card here, you mention the ringtone or the anime sound that you need whenever you press the button basically. And if you need something luffy, you mention some luffy ringtone, and if you need some Pokemon, mention that Pokemon voice or something, and place the file in the SD card and place it in the MP3 player. And once that's done, whenever you press the button, it basically plays the voice. So let me just put this entire setup within the box and show you. So the first thing that would go inside is actually the battery. So make sure you print this box and then take the battery and then go searching for the battery, because even though the milliamp is same, the dimensions might be different for each battery at each vendor. So even for this battery I went to a mobile repair center where I've got the battery. Let me just, so the battery goes in first, then next goes the ESP32C3, and once you fit all the components in the box, it should look something like this. And you can charge the battery to this slot, the USB, type C. And Once you place the push button inside this, glue this component over this with super glue, so that whenever you press the super glue it wouldn't go off. And once you've done this, then the next step is easier. Basically you just plug your favorite anime head over the box lid, sorry, and that's it. It's basically done. Your own anime keychain sound box. Thanks guys. Do let me know if any one of you needs the circuit diagram or the code or the STL files for the box. I'll be very glad to share them. Thank you. See you again with a new project.